chief guests, the Honorable Speaker, Cabinet Ministers, Commissioners and senior government officials, members of the Diplomatic Corps, representatives of development and international agencies, Mr. Shaheen Ali, NGOs, civil society organizations, ladies and gentlemen, Vuniwaqa, and a very good morning to you all. It's a very great honor for me to welcome you on behalf of all of us at the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation at the commissioning of the REACH buses. As a government arm that has a mandate focusing on women, children, senior citizens, persons living with disabilities, and those living in poverty, I would like to acknowledge the presence and contribution of the respective organizations whose sterling work complements my ministry's agenda to empower and provide resilience to the ministry's clientele. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to acknowledge and welcome our chief guests who are extremely instrumental partners of the REACH project. His Excellency Mr. Takuji Hanatani, Ambassador of Japan to Fiji, and Ms. Osnat Lubrani, the UN Resident Coordinator and UNDP Resident Representative. Geography and challenges faced by our clients limit their ability to access our services. Some live with disabilities, some have no access to affordable or timely transportation, and some have absolutely no idea what kind of services are available to them. It is in this realization of the challenges in front of us that the REACH, which stands for Rights, Empowerment and Cohesion for Rural and Urban Fijians, the project was born. Where people could not come to us, we decided to take our services to them. Last year, in the mid of December, my ministry with the Honorable Minister for Health launched what we called a phenomenal gift for the ministry, namely the first of the 3 buses that were to be established under the REACH project. Today, we have all 3 of the buses here, all ready to hit the road and making our service delivery more accessible to rural Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, today's occasion is very symbolic. Through the government of Japan's financial assistance and the facilitation of the UNDP towards the REACH initiative, we now have a strong platform to boost government service delivery. Partnerships such as these go a long way in not only realizing our ministerial mandate, they also forge our national efforts towards the realization of the Sustainable Development Goals. To take a multisectoral approach and commit that no Fijian should be left behind as we take Fiji forward, I would like to thank the Fiji Police Force, who have joined recently, and the Fiji Human Rights and Anti-Discrimination Commission, who joined last year. We aim to rope in more arms of government who deliver essential services to rural Fijians to join us on our quest to reach more rural Fijians. The approach is proactive and will enable the key stakeholders to deliver the appropriate services for the multifaceted issues that arise during service delivery. The extensive support of other affiliates of government shows the remarkable support and common aim to bridge the gap that exists between government agencies and communities, in particular vulnerable sectors in Fiji. Once again, I warmly welcome all of you and our chief guests and all our distinguished guests here today, and hope they will enjoy the rest of the program. Vuniwaqa.
Thank you.